Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we will discuss how to generate a full 360-degree topology from a periodic topology. Converting a wedge-shaped periodic topology to a full 360-degree mesh has limitations when the blades are more than 5. The blocks tend to have more singularities in the middle and tends to increase with the decrease in periodic angle. In version 8.0, we have updated this feature with the ability to recreate the core blocks based on the periodicity. This ensures that the output blocks are of high quality and overcomes the previous limitations. The case I have chosen to demonstrate this feature is a Francis turbine runner. There are 13 blades in the runner with a periodicity of 27 degrees. For many simulations, a periodic mesh may suffice, but sometimes we may need to generate a full topology in order to merge it with the vanes, which may not be periodic. In such cases, we would use the periodic to 360-degree feature. In prior version, without the build core feature, when rotated, we end up with a 13-point singularity at the center. However, with the build core feature, one can create a core topology with high quality hexa blocks. This feature is available as an option in rotate button under the transform button. The default input option should be changed to periodic topology. By checking the build core checkbox, we can enable the option to recreate the core with a non-singular structure. In the output, we can see that the 13-point singularity is replaced with a group of regular hexa blocks. Here is a comparison of the two output grids. Both are hexa multi-block grids. One has a singularity in the center, where all the blocks come together. The other has a higher quality regular blocks. This brings us to the end of the video. If you have any questions on the steps or any comments, feel free to leave it below. Keep yourself updated with our new features and developments by following us on LinkedIn or Twitter or Facebook. The social media links can be found in the description. Thank you for watching. Before we close, if you like this video, leave us a like and subscribe to the channel for new videos.